Hi everyone. What do you think is the worst way somebody can pass away?
What kind of an intro is that?
Well, the intro for today's show, of course. I mean, think about it hypothetically.
It is pretty interesting to think about, you know.
You don't think at all.
I know.
Well, let me start it off. For one, burning wouldn't be a good way to go.
I guess you're right, it really wouldn't.
Lord Almighty, I feel my temperature rising. Oh, higher and higher, it's burning through my soul. Girl, you're gonna set me on fire. My brain is flaming, I don't know which way to go. Well, your kisses lift me higher, like the sweet song of the choir. You light my morning sky with burning love.
I think I'm catching on now.
Thank the heavens.
Here's a good one. A dog almost ate me once.
That's scary. Tell us about it.
Well, it wasn't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. It wasn't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. It ain't never caught a rabbit. It wasn't a friend of mine.
I got a good one. Falling in love would be a terrible way.
That's really sad.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Oh, how about jail?
I almost died in jail once.
How?
I dropped
The water county in county jail. The prison bell was down and began to wail. The band was jumping and the joint began to sing. You should have heard the night judge jailbird sing, let's rock. Everybody let's rock. Everybody in the wholesale block will dance to the jailhouse rock.
Wow, I never want to hear you sing like that ever again.
I didn't know somebody could make noises like that.
Well, I'm sure a teddy bear couldn't kill anybody.
Hey! You mean to say I'm not scary?
Oh no, you're scary. To children. And women.
Oh, let me be your teddy bear. Treat me with all your love and leave me anywhere. Oh, let me be your teddy bear.
The devil could do it.
I mean, if you're into religion.
You look like an angel. Walk like an angel. Talk like an angel. But I got wise. You're the devil in disguise. Oh yes you are. The devil in disguise.
Oh, yes, you are. Huh. I can't think of any more ways.
Huh. Let me think.
Buxton, stop thinking.
You could get shaken
Shaken.
too much.
Hey, well that's just stupid enough to work.
Well, bless my soul, what's wrong with me? I'm itching like a man on a fuzzy tree. My friends say I'm acting white as a bug. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Okay, I got one that'll stump the both of you. Imagine taking your last breath on the toilet.
The toilet!
Don't be silly. Nobody could ever die on the toilet.
You're right. What a horrible way to go.
I'd say it's about high time for our break.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Make sure you don't die on the toilet. I hate to be the guy who died on a toilet.